Hello, Moonbeams 3. We are into week 15, so we will start with our song. We are the Moonbeams, we are the Moonbeams, mighty, mighty Moonbeams, mighty, mighty Moonbeams. We are the Moonbeams, we are the Moonbeams, mighty, mighty Moonbeams, mighty, mighty Moonbeams. Ready to sing and play. Fred and the F team, Dino D, Spider Fingers, here we go. Play those instruments, T-Tom-T, and then we'll sing these old songs. We are the Moonbeams, we are the Moonbeams, mighty, mighty Moonbeams, mighty, mighty Moonbeams. We are the Moonbeams, we are the Moonbeams, mighty, mighty Moonbeams, mighty, mighty Moonbeams. Ready to sing and play. Okay, right hand, say hello to everyone. Hello, everyone. Let's do our scale. Okay, so do, mi, so, or upper do. That one should be do, mi, so. Okay, next one. That one's easy, it's do. Next one. That one's so. Okay, major or minor? Minor. Major. Minor. Minor. All right, so you all have your scales you're working on, and you should have your 2 major scales and your 4 minor scales. So you've got your either your natural and harmonic or your harmonic and melodic, depending on what grade you're working on, okay? So make sure you are working with those and your solid and broken triads and your blues scale. So let's have a look then at theory. So page 45 is our first page. And this one, it says, name the notes. You're going through and write and the notes an octave higher and check on stem directions. So remember our stem rule. Middle line can go up or down. Below the middle line, the stem has to go up. If the stem is or if the note's above the middle line, the stem has to go down. And the flag always goes to the right, and the flag cannot come in and touch the note head. Okay, so whatever note value they've given you, you're going to write that same note an octave higher or an octave lower, depending on where you are on the page. Okay, page 68, we are using our circle of fifths, and we are going through, and so I am a major key. I have 2 sharps in my key signature, so what key are you? And you're going to draw the key signature. So before you start this page, I suggest you go through placement of sharps and flats again, just to make sure you're okay up to 4 sharps and up to 4 flats, where they go in the treble clef and where they go in the bass clef. And remember, don't stack them. They're one after the other, okay? Then 83, we are looking at scales again. So you're going to name the scale. Does it have accidentals? No, this one has a key signature, okay? And remember to pay attention to what your starting note is. Obviously, that helps lots. And look at whether you have a raised 6th or 7th, or whether it's actually a major key, okay? And 135, time signatures. So you're going to look at these. Remember, if we are in 6/8 time, you've got groups of 3/8 notes. And that is really, really important for determining whether we are 6/8 or 3/4. They've also stuck in a crazy one, a 5/4, but we do see that every now and then. So 5 beats in a bar, a beat is a quarter note. Beat pattern for 5/4 can be strong, weak, weak, medium, weak, or it can be strong, weak, medium, weak, weak. Either is acceptable. So if you happen to get that on an exam down the road, make sure you put what beat pattern you are using for that. Okay. And then another analysis page, 187 and 188. So for this one, you are given a piece of music on 187, and you answer the questions on 188, okay? Name the intervals at the following letters. So you're going to find letter A on here, and you're going from this note up to this note. On B, it doesn't matter if your note is the second one, it's still the lower of the two notes, so you have to use that as your bottom note. Go to your major key and figure out what the interval is. Then terms are marcato and tempo primo, so make sure you look those up in your dictionary of terms and work at spelling those two. So focus this week is really making sure that our masterclass pieces are in good shape, that we've worked on our introduction, and you're going to have to stand up for this one. And dynamics make them huge. Okay, they're just not coming through online. So if it says mezzo forte, think forte. We just need to have more range than what we normally would. And even going into Play It Festival, we need that range as well. It's looking like it's a good probability Festival is online as well. They're hoping for live, but we'll see what happens in the next couple of weeks here. So Masterclass will be a really good preparation for doing an online festival if we go to do that. And it's a good preparation for no matter what type of festival we do. So scales, theory, and your masterclass pieces, your exam pieces in general. And make sure you are working at rhythms as well. So if I clap you something, again, clap it back for me. Okay, so work on clapbacks, and Mom can clap something goofy for you and you can clap it back for her, okay? So have a really good week, and we will be joining another class to practice our masterclass pieces next week, okay? So long, farewell, our music class is over. We sang a bit and played a bit, and now it's time to study it. Have a good week.